Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 26, Grammatica exercises. Here we have practice with the gerund. We see in the margin here the forms of the gerund for the first and second and third and fourth conjugations. First and second conjugations, just adding the endings undum, undi, undo. And third and fourth, adding endum, endi, endo. So in our examples, we have navigare necesse est, nautai navigare cupiunt. Sailing is necessary. The sailors want to sail. Okay, here we have an example of a nominative gerund, what would have been the nominative gerund, but it's replaced with the infinitive, as I mentioned before. So to sail is necessary, or sailing, we can add the ing, is necessary. The sailors want to sail. Naves necessariae sunt ad navigandum. The sailors are necessary, boats are necessary to sail. Ad navigandum is our accusative gerund, to sail, taking the place of the infinitive. Nautae cupidi sunt navigandi. The sailors are eager to sail, or are desirous of sailing. And so here we have our gerund, which is an objective genitive, right? With cupidi acting as our adjective, desirous of this thing, which comes from cupra, to desire. Nautae pecuniam faciunt navigando. The sailors make money by sailing. So here we have our ablative gerund, ablative of means, by means of sailing. So not here, let's practice this form of the gerunds, these forms of the gerund. Navigare infinitivus est. To sail is an infinitive. Navigandum non infinitivus sed. It is not an infinitive, but a gerundium, a gerund. Okay, navigandum accusativus gerundii est. Sailing is the accusative of the gerund. Navigandi is the genitivus, right? And then so what is navigando? Ablativus of the gerund. Infinitivus vocare, the infinitive to call. Gerundium, the gerund. Accusativus, the accusative of vocare, gerund, is vocandum. The genitivus est vocandi. Vocandi. Ablativus est vocando. So we have to call, we have calling, we have of calling, and we have by, with, and on, from calling. Try the rest of those exercises, and let's move on to exercise 11. Here we have practice with all of our principal parts of verbs. And again, I strongly suggest and urge that you create flashcards or some kind of a worksheet where you have the English on one side and then these verb forms on the other. So accedera, to happen. On the other side you'd have accedera, accedi, accedisse. So accedera, accedisse. Capere, cepisse, captum. Considera, concedisse. So you need to go through this section. Often you'll have to do this more than once, because these forms, you have to say them out loud many, many times before they really set into your long-term memory. So to happen, to have happened. To seize, to have seized. To have been seized. To sit down, to have sat down. And and when you're going to do this, you need to have the English on the one side. To happen, accedera, accedi, or accedisse. To capture, capere, cepi, captum, or capere, cepisse, captum esse. To sit down, considera, concedi, or considera, concedisse. After you've practiced all of these, I think you're ready for the pinza.